Ila.
4,
Ayan, binibideo ko yan.
6, 7, 8, 1,
Hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Sa kahon doon sa labas. Sa may tatlong kahon magkakatabi.
Down, and up, and down. Up, and down. Up, and down.
Sige, exercise.
1, and 2, and 1, and 2. 1, and 2, 1, and 2.
Okay.
1, and 2, 1, and 2.
Usod ka na.
1, and 2, 1, and 2.
Ba, ang galing.
Paano kayong iiyak?
Ayan, bibideo natin silang dalawa. Ayan si Sak, tsaka si Baching. Tsaka si Shari.
Kapatid ko si Jack.